Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by protecting your data and isolating causes. First, backup photos, contacts, and app settings to cloud or PC so nothing is lost. Once done, reboot into safe mode by pressing power, long pressing restart, and selecting safe mode. This disables third-party apps so you can test stability. If the phone no longer restarts, you know an app is the culprit. If it still restarts, make sure to skip to the firmware and hardware checks next. Now focus on middle-step remediation by removing likely software faults. You should uninstall recent or suspicious apps one at a time, then reboot to test. This identifies the offending app. Next, clear the system cache partition through settings or recovery mode to remove corrupted temporary files that can trigger reboots. Make sure to install any pending system updates and update apps from the Play Store. Updates often include stability. Finish by restoring core software integrity or seeking hardware help. You can perform a factory data reset from settings system reset, but only after confirming your backup is complete because this erases user data. If restarts continue post-reset, reflash the stock firmware using Huawei recovery tools or visit an authorized service center to avoid warranty voiding. Make sure to test with another battery or a known good charger to rule out power issues. If problems stop, you have a hardware fault rather than a software one.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.